Last week, we bought a bus. We showed you guys how we brought it back to Jersey and almost burning it down. Now, we are constructing it into the tiny home of our dreams.
En el anterior video viste cómo compramos el bus. También te diste cuenta y te contamos que casi la llanta se explota. Pero en este video te vamos a enseñar un poco de qué está adentro del bus y cómo lo remodelamos para convertirlo en nuestra pequeña casa.
This is a nice RV.
For real, we should buy it.
Yeah. It's already ours!
So guys, we want to let you know, you guys already know what you guys see in the back. Esto es nuestra futura casita. So vamos a tornar este bus prácticamente nuestra casa. Vamos a tratar de hacerlo en un tiempo límite, creo que de 3 meses.
So we're trying to limit ourselves to 3 months. I'm hoping for 2, but I don't think that's realistic. But basically, this is our new home.
Hoy día vamos a tratar de completamente destruir todo lo que está dentro, quitar todo lo viejo, o tratar, you know, I guess. So,
we're excited. So we're going to film all of our journey in this renovation. It's going to be fun. We're going to sweat a lot and we're going to look ugly, but it's okay. Yeah, I can see the drip.
So este es el proyecto y van a estar con nosotros haciendo todo este proceso y van a ver nuestros struggles, nuestras decisiones y otra cosa. Si ven que estamos haciendo algo mal, ayúdenos, comenten ahí abajo, suscríbanse también.
If you guys see that we're doing something wrong, please let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Come along with the journey.
Alright.
Bam!
Este es el RV y vamos a entrar hacia adentro. Vamos a poner el techito. We're going to put a little roof thing because the sun is really powerful. Steph is already inside, so let's do a tour. Careful, watch your steps. Cuidado sus piecitos. So cuando estábamos manejando, we were driving, these 2 fans, ellos fell. This is a very old RV. Entonces cuando estaba manejando se cayeron esas 2 cosas. Es un poquito viejo. And this one came out, that thing came out. Digo, lámpara.
We're down the hill, so...
Oh yeah. Y vamos a comenzar a arreglar. Solamente quiero que vean cómo se veía antes y cómo va a se ver después. So it's pretty big. Es bien grande. El baño está aquí. Es muy grande. Aquí cabemos 2 humans, 2 personas aquí, es sumamente grande. We might cut this and make it a little smaller. Vamos a cambiar ceiling, walls, flooring. We're gonna change everything. Vamos a cambiar todo aquí prácticamente y lo vamos a hacer a nuestro estilo. Oh, look, I didn't realize this.
That's a cool feature.
Yeah. Wow. And for sure, this is the bedroom right here. We're gonna change the bed. Vamos a cambiar la cama. We're gonna put storage under the bed that we already were searching. It's pretty awesome.
Yes.
La primera legalmente pieza que ha salido de este RV es hoy. The first little piece that came out from the RV, the bus. And then we want to say,
¡Fuera!
Woo!
El nombre es suya.
And we have the whole entire bus to throw it up afuera.
Let's go. Ready? Just in case you didn't see before, we're sweaty as heck.
It's gonna be a good exercise, to be honest.
Yo, we're gonna get mad skinny. Hello. I'm ready to be fit 2021 because 2020 has been the ultimate lie. Yo, what happened to the year of vision? Able to do all the living room area? Well, kind of.
Yeah, you kind of like saw everything
But
before and after.
there's a lot of water damage. I think we kind of expected it. We also watch YouTube videos. So, given it's an RV, aka a bus, but normally RVs always have water damage after some years, and this is 28 years old, so it was a given. So we have to kind of restructure everything, frame everything again. It's gonna be a project because not even these cabinets work really. Because of the wood, it's like super damaged, but...
I really want to use the word on top of me. So hemos descubierto que hay mucha suciedad, mucha agua en las paredes. Ya sabíamos eso. Este bus es 28 años viejo, de 1992, mi edad. Y bueno, vamos a estar construyendo todo esto y...
Va a ser un proyecto, pero lo vamos a hacer en el nombre de Jesús.
Prácticamente hemos sacado los sofás, el piso, la mayoría del piso, aquí de la sala y el comedor y la cocina. Ya sacamos las cosas de los cuartos, vamos a sacar unos closets. Y vamos a ver lo que podemos salvar de estas maderitas.
Yeah.
Si no, vamos a tener que construir todo esto de nuevo. Hay que ver.
Hay que ver. That's our little quote for this season. Hay que ver. Lo que funciona, funciona, ¿sí o qué?
¡Tiro para afuera!
Oh, babe. We did it. Ew, you're so sweaty.
Oh, God, nasty.
Good news is we get to have a Wawa sandwich. A Wawa sandwich. A Wawa. A Wawa. A Wawa sandwich. A Wawa sandwich. A Wawa. Okay.
All right, bye.